Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the hotspot details so the shortcut can build a QR. Open Settings, turn on Personal Hotspot, and copy the Wi-Fi name and password. Do it exactly, since QR encodes text. Once done, make sure Shortcuts is installed and has permission to access photos and Wi-Fi if prompted. You'll create a simple shortcut that takes SSID/security/password and outputs a Wi-Fi QR image. This method is the only reliable and phone way without third-party web tools. Now you construct the shortcut step by step. Create a new shortcut and add a text action. Paste the Wi-Fi payload in this exact format. Wi-Fi T, WPA, S your SSID, P your password. Replace values with yours. Next, add a Generate QR code action that uses that text as input, then add Save to Photo Album or Share so you can export the image. Run the shortcut once to produce the QR. You'll see why the payload format matters. It tells devices how to auto-connect. Finish by sharing the QR image, AirDrop, messages, or show it on your screen for someone to scan. When scanned, devices interpret the payload and offer to join your hotspot automatically. This is why you use the Wi-Fi payload format. If it doesn't work, make sure you use the correct security type, WPA versus WEP, no extra spaces, and exact SSID spelling, then regenerate the QR. If problems persist, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, and retest the shortcut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.